Sir, may I know what is your name?
My name is Vivek.
So, today our theme is about of students should just do study after class 12, or they should do job. What is your view on this topic?
If it's depend on children, how they are thinking about the new generation, whether they are doing job or not. I think they should to do the study as well because the now generation is getting the you can say the unemployment is increasing day by day. I think for the getting a good job, you should to do the study.
So, sir, may I know what is your name?
My name is Shivam Tiwari.
Shivam Tiwari ji. So, as the Vivek said about that, on the theme of students should do study after class 12th, what is your view on your topic? This.
As per my point of view about the topic, because after 12th class, people should do both work because like study and job also because you can easily do any kind of work through the money through the you can easily do any kind of study any kind of course through the money, so I think it's better opportunity.
So, sir, may I know what is your name?
My name is Narayan.
So Narayan ji, if student do any kind of job after class 12, is it effect on their study or not?
Brother is totally effect on their study. As brother said that if you done job and study both, brother you cannot do study with doing job. Okay, if your parent can afford your study, so you should do study, not job.
So sir, if any person is helpless to do study after class 12th, is he should do try a job or he he have to carry their study?
And in many person not afford your studying, so is do a job because many people has not afford study and anything. That's it.
So in your point of view, which is better, doing job or carry on their study?
As per my point of view, they both are good at their own sides. But I can say that students should do jobs for their practical knowledge, for their logical knowledge about life. But they also do a crash course about anything like any IT sector, digital marketing, or anything.
If student do any kind of job, so it is good for their financial condition or not?
Yes, it's beneficial for their financial conditions because in India there are ample number of people who cannot afford their children's studies, and doing a job at a time they get the practical knowledge about life. They know how things goes, interview, society, colleagues, and all of that stuff.
Sir, what is your view on this topic?
Actually, according to me, the student should be do the job after the 12th because they